Hey, this is Frank. I haven't updated my MIT Cheetahs project for a while. I do got a very difficult time to get it running, but finally I got it to stand up. So I will show you some progress in next video. But this video, I will show you another quadruped robot, which is the Lite 3. It's come from the Cloud Deep Robotics. So it's a very nice one. It's very cool. I learned a lot from there. So I got that a few days ago. So let's take a look. Okay, now it's time to unbox. Let's open this one. Take a look what inside of it. This is a Deep Robotic. So it's a generic consumer quadruped robot. So let's take a look what inside of it. Okay, after you get the first layer off, you will see this. This one packed very well. So you have two opener over here and one handler. On another side, you have another handle. And also you have the tow rod. This will help you move the device very easily. Yeah, you could even carry this on to the airplane. It looks like a carry-on. Okay. Let's take a look what we have inside of this box. So here is everything we have for the Lite 3. Let's take a look one by one. So the first one is the manual. This for the Lite 3 manual. This one is the warranty card. You have 1 year warranty. This is the rubber. This is replaceable, so it could reduce the noise. This adapter. Yeah, this is some cable. So here is the charge station. So you can see the conductor inside of the box. Okay, here is the battery. This is a very large battery. It's pretty heavy. Let's open it. Okay. Also, we have the manual for the battery. Yeah. Some protection. It's pretty heavy, and this one is 5,000 milliamp. Yeah. And also come with 1 year warranty. Yeah. It could use like for 1.5 hours. Yeah. Okay, I think that's pretty much all we have inside. Let us introduce its standard specifications. Its width is 37 centimeters, its length is 61 centimeters, and its height is 40.6 centimeters in a standard standing position. Here are his athletic parameters. At a high gate speed, he can reach 2.5 meters per second. At a medium gate speed, he can reach 1.3 meters per second. And at a low gate speed, he can reach 0.5 meters per second. Its slope can reach 40 degrees, and so on. Okay, let me show you how to install the battery and how to turn it on. So first of all, let's get it in the center of the desk. So safety is first. Make sure your bolt is in the center of the desk. Now you get the battery. This side, you can see, should be in the bottom, and this one should be in the upper side. So let's just press this one. you need to press very hard. Now you, okay. Now you just turn it on. After the light is on, just keep press for 2 seconds. You will see the eyes of the dog already flash. So it needs some time. Okay, now let's connect to the device to the dog. So you need to find the Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's go back to here. Of course, you need to download the app of the Deep Robotics. So now you can see the control button is enabled. So you will see there's something here. You will get some information. So you have to get the device in this status. Now you can see this is the front camera. Let's click the start up. So now it will start up. Wow, it's cool. Okay, it's on. Now it's start up. Let's move forward. A little bit. Yeah, not too much. Okay. Let's turn a little bit. Let's turn. Oh, it's turned. I cannot turn too much because I don't want it to get fall off the desk. Okay, let me show you some more feature for this bot. So first of all, let's start up this one. Let's click start up. Now you can see it start up. You can see they have some light. This is a brace light, just indicate the status of the device. This is the camera, front camera. We have two supersonic obstacle avoidance sensor. One is in the front, another one is in the back, so it could detect some object in the front and the back end. If there are some wall, it will not keep going. Yeah, that is very useful. It will not break the device if your operation have some, if you are doing some wrong operation, keep move the device forward. If there are a wall in the front, it will stop automatically. Okay, so you can tell that is a very cool quadruped robot. Right now is Black Friday. That one also available on my website, which is navable.com. So you could purchase that and get this one EN01 free because right now is Black Friday. Also, you could get some special discount if you email me. I will look into that. And that one also open source. I don't know how deep it's open source, but I will take a look. I will look into more detail. I got that device, that bot just a few days ago. I will do more research, say what kind of open source they are doing, and do more research on that one, do more test on that one. So you could also rent that bot if you want. Or if you're in the Texas, in the Dallas area, you could borrow that from me if you want to do some research or just very interesting with that one. Just let me know, just email me. I will figure out how to get it to work. Yeah, I think that pretty much all for this video. Thank you. Bye.